Let's see if I can get old Rusty started. Rusty's a 1965 International Harvester step side. I've had it for years. It's always been kind of, I don't know why, but I've always been kind of had a soft spot in my heart for it. And I've had opportunity after opportunity to sell it, and I just wouldn't do it, probably because it's so ugly. We named it Rusty for obvious reasons. It's got a few little cancerous spots on it, but I've got the original wheels and tires for it. It's got the original factory motor in it. Ordered a bench seat from a guy out in Arizona. Needs to be reupholstered, but overall, I mean, it's a pretty sound truck. If somebody knows how to do body work, it would treat them very nice. So let's see if old Rusty will start here. There you go. Load it right up. Got to get her over, get her cleaned up, wash some of the mildew and mold off of it. The moss has been growing on it for the last few years, sitting out here in the back. Every single time I've went to start this truck, literally all I had to do was charge the battery and pour a little gas in the carburetor, and it started right up. It doesn't smoke, it doesn't rattle, it doesn't clatter. Got about 300 miles on this motor. It is the factory motor. Had it taken out and rebuilt in 05 or 06, I guess it was, and really haven't ran it since. It was going to go in the shop and get restored, completely taken apart, body panels fabricated for it, rust holes patched, and repainted back the factory yellow color that it was. And man, it's one of those projects that keeps getting put on the back burner. So I went ahead and decided to sell it, and the guy's coming next weekend to pick it up. So I'm going to miss old Rusty, but somebody's going to have a really nice old project. Thanks for watching.